What the fuck are you doing? Give it to me. Your mother never told you not to play with guns? This is just between us, okay? Why are you this silent? You're never this silent. You can't speak? I heard what your mom said to you the other night. But it's just between us, okay? Would you tell your mom if I touch you? You can't speak, huh? Get out of here. Andre, don't ever let me catch you in here without being invited, all right?